We begin this bulletin with the breaking news coming in. Today in the Parliament, in the Lok Sabha, as 3 bills were tabled, there was massive commotion. And now the sources are saying that during the ruckus in the Parliament, as the opposition was claiming that the women MPs of the Trinamool Congress were pushed and manhandled, it seems that the Speaker's office has investigated the CCTV footage. And they are saying that no TMC MP was manhandled. Remember, this entire incident happened during a session of the Lok Sabha when the bills were tabled by the Home Minister Amit Shah. The opposition MPs tore the bill and threw it at the Home Minister. They also stormed the well, and that's when the TMC MPs alleged that the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju and MP Ravneet Bittu manhandled the TMC MPs. But it seems the CCTV footage is telling another story. Joining us now is India Today's Piyush Mishra. Piyush, what is the latest update you have about this incident?
Well, what we're now learning is that the massive ruckus which took place in Parliament is being also discussed by the investigating people. What we're learning is that the CCTV footages are also being examined of the Speaker's office, and the sources are telling us that no TMC MP has been manhandled, as was claimed by the MPs that the MPs have been manhandled, and CCTV is now being further examined. That's what the sources are telling us. Remember that at 2 p.m. Saturday, Home Minister Amit Shah had introduced 3 new bills following it massive ruckus took place, and the TMC MPs and also they tore the bill. They also reached there near the well, and they threw the papers while Home Minister Amit Shah was introducing the bill, and massive ruckus took place at the time. After which the TMC MPs claimed that they were also manhandled by a few BJP MPs, but the CCTV shows that no TMC MP has been manhandled, and the further examination of CCTV is now underway.
Right. Piyush, Kalyan Banerjee made this claim in front of the entire media over there. He is reiterating it again. He's saying that 2 women MPs were manhandled by the union ministers, and he's accusing the government of manhandling them. So, if you could just give us a timeline or a sequence of events that happened that led to the opposition MPs making such a claim.
Well, if you talk about what actually happened at 2 p.m. when Home Minister Amit Shah introduced these bills, TMC MPs along with Congress MPs and some of the party MPs, they all reached near the well and they started protesting, they started raising slogans. A few of them also tore the bill and they threw at Home Minister Amit Shah while he was speaking. But after the Amit's ruckus, the House got adjourned, and after that ruckus, TMC MP made claims that few MPs were manhandled by the BJP MPs, and on that note, the investigation, what we are told, is now underway, and CCTV footages are being examined. We'll have to wait and watch how the government is further going to look into it.
Right. Also joining us now is India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal. Aishwarya, we believe the Home Minister Amit Shah has also met with the BJP spokesperson as well. This is clearly an issue that is blowing up now. From the bill, it has now become more about the commotion inside the Lok Sabha.
Well, it wasn't just commotion. You know, there are charges of MPs being manhandled. Now, these are grave charges that we are seeing being made by the opposition leaders, the TMC leaders, especially Kalyan Banerjee, coming out and saying that he got aggressive only because the women MPs of TMC were being manhandled. Now, let me tell you what's happening. The CCTV footage from 2 o'clock now is being very closely monitored by the Speaker's office. Very closely, they are looking at the CCTV footage. The initial CCTV footage is pointing towards the fact that no manhandling took place. Further investigation is taking place, and if it actually comes to the fore that there was some kind of manhandling, then the right action will be taken. But yes, with regards allegations and counter allegations galore, we are now seeing the BJP also pointing fingers and saying that what you are saying, what you are claiming is not how it happened. Rather, we did see the TMC MPs jumping into the well, throwing papers at Home Minister Amit Shah while he was trying to speak. And from BJP's side, we also saw how some of the top MPs, Satish Gautam, Kiran Rijiju, all of them had to come and defend and make a corridor of sorts very close to Home Minister Amit Shah so that it does not get the situation does not go out of control. Let me also tell you, at 3 o'clock, marshals had to be called in so that the situation remains calm.
Right. We all saw that as the proceedings resumed at 3 o'clock, again they had to be shut down immediately because the house was not in order. Aishwarya, do tell us that these accusations that were made by the TMC MPs, there were other opposition MPs also backing them, or it was just the TMC MPs who were making these accusations?
No, it began with TMC MPs, began with Kalyan Banerjee, then we saw the other MPs also in the well, and all of them pointing fingers, raising slogans, being very close to Home Minister Amit Shah. Then the Congress followed suit. It all began with KC Venugopal, Manish Tiwari. They were the ones who were speaking, and then while sitting on his chair, it was KC Venugopal who tore pages and then threw them in the air. This was followed by all the other Congress MPs also tearing the bill and they all started throwing it up in the air. But yes, the friction point, the actual friction point became when the opposition MPs, TMC plus Congress, they came very close to where the Home Minister was standing while he was trying to speak. There are allegations also that these opposition MPs were trying to turn the mic of Home Minister Amit Shah. So these are also
Right.
grave allegations that we are seeing being made at this point.